Hey guys, Vat19 here. Welcome back to Vat19's World. Today, we got a Vat19 box. So we ordered this about a week ago. We know what's inside. I had to open it because we ordered it with this ice, but we're not gonna spoil it. So let's get into it. Vat19, thank you for not sponsoring this video. So I'm gonna set this down and I'll pull out one part at a time. Guys. First, we have a gummy donut. I'm really excited for this one. This one's gonna be fun. I'll give you guys a little look at it. Put it on the back. Of course, we have all of that. You guys can just pause the video if you guys want to see how much calories and whatever. So I'm gonna open this in a very safe way.
That thing is massive.
Yes.
So that's a big, giant candy gummy donut.
Guys, this is gonna be awesome. Oh! 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 Oh!
You gotta hold it up.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm gonna take a bite. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, man.
Oh, that is good.
Hold it up again. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in on this thing. It's huge.
And guys, this, I'm just gonna say, these are real sprinkles. Okay. Hey guys.
What did it taste like? What flavor?
It was like an orange kind of flavor. Well, duh, it's orange. So guys, we also have 2 products. We have this.
What is that?
It's matter. It's kind of like, sand, like kinetic putty or kinetic sand or something.
Sweet.
And this is a star puzzle or a star cube that is a puzzle. You can star hidden inside, all kinds of stuff. These are gonna get their own videos, so make sure you subscribe to keep that on date.
But this is the giant candy video.
Yes, and by the way, guys, we're gonna start a whole new series of giant gummy stuff.
Giant candy.
Okay. Next thing. A giant gummy bear.
Ja-jong. What? Hold that up before you unwrap it.
Here, guys.
That thing is like...
It's massive. This is a real gummy bear. It's just humongous. Okay, let's open this thing up. Scissors fix everything.
It's just wrapped, huh? Is it tape? Tape shut on the bottom?
Yeah, it's tape.
So what flavor is that?
Red cherry. Oh my gosh,
So you picked
guys.
cherry for this. Good thing we have a good dentist.
Oh, this
Hold
is
on,
good.
hold it up again. Hold it up.
This is solid gummy.
Hold it up, hold it still. That thing is...
And guys, I'm just gonna say my mom was craving donuts like a day ago, so.
You were craving donuts?
No, my mom was craving gummies, so.
Hold on, let me focus. So how's that?
It doesn't taste like exactly red cherry, like the real gummy bear, but it tastes good. It is a cherry though. It's like a Haribo kind of deal though.
Haribo?
Yeah,
Haribo?
it's like their cherry ones.
Look at how, you bit the ear off. Look at that thing.
Poor gummy bear. Poor thing. Being so tortured.
So, you hit it, and it's like painful.
Look. Yeah, it hurts.
So it's like a gummy bear weapon. It's like a gummy bear club.
No, just like if you're in a war and there's no like real weapons, you're like,
Wow.
oh. And you would win World War III.
That could be a new Fortnite club.
Mm-hmm.
The Gummy Club.
Team Gummy Night.
Awesome.
Team Fort Gummy. Team Fortnite.
I want to bite.
No.
I want to bite.
Mine.
I want to bite.
Mine.
I want to bite.
Eat.
So, do you like the gummy orange donut or that giant gummy
The
bear on a stick?
donut was definitely harder gummy. Like
Hold
it's
up the
harder
donut.
to chew.
Really?
Yeah, this is much harder.
Yeah, you actually like struggled to get that.
It wasn't too hard.
So you like the cherry better?
Yeah, a little bit.
Because it tastes better or because it's easier to chew?
Both. But again, this, I like that a lot.
Awesome.
So, that's all the products we have for y'all today. Again, these are going to be inside another video, so stay tuned for that. And sub to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.
Which
Thanks,
is?
Easy Anarchist World.